Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer a domain to Bluehost. And to do this, first of all, you're going to click on domains on your Bluehost account. And as you can see, there is a few options. So you can add a domain and transfer it in like right now, or you can go ahead to your domains and choose, and if you already added your domain, you can actually click transfer in. But as you can see, if you want to make the switch today, it will cost you $13, and also you will get a complimentary 1-year extension. But basically, that's how it works, and they are asking you to pay $13 to transfer your domain. So this is the only option probably. Again, as you can see, the same goes for any domain. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.